What's up, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another Forza 5 video. You'll find related videos in the description down below. So obviously you've come to this video because you have a whack load of cars in your cars menu over here. If I simply head across to Porsche, you'll see that, oh my goodness, I have quite a few of these because I've been min-maxing my money, earning a hell of a lot, which you'll find details for in the description down below. Now that you have all of these cars, how exactly do you clear up your My Cars screen? Well, it's not exactly all that simple. We can either sell these or we can give them away. I'd prefer giving them away as they're super cheap and I've already earned my money back for them tenfold. To do this, all you have to do is open up the map and head across to a barn find nearby that you've already been to. Here you'll be able to send gift drops to the Horizon community and of course receive them back. I'm pretty sure that it's related somehow. The more that you send, the more that you gain, though I'm not entirely sure. Anyways, let's quickly head across there. Once you arrive at any old barn, you'll be able to simply open up the menu here, head across to the right manufacturer, in my case Porsche, and you'll see a whack load of cars here. If I simply select one, I can spam X to give it to anyone, whatever message, I'll use my player name, send gift, and it's gone. Now we can simply head back there, though going the other way around may be a bit quicker. Yep, it definitely is. Now you can just spam these out and get rid of them as fast as possible, cleaning up your inventory, though it is a lot of manual labor. If we do head back to our home by heading across here, customizing our character, then heading left to the auction house, we're able to actually sell these. So I'll go start auction, head across to the right car, which is over here, select one, auction car, whatever price, confirm, okay, and now we wait. This, of course, is a much longer method, but you'll be getting something back for the cars that you're selling. It really depends what you'd like to do, whether you'd like to get anything back to maximize the amount you're getting, or if you'd like to just give them away. I personally would give them away as I've earned more than my money back, so it's fine to just let them go, c'est la vie. But anyways, that is the fastest way to get rid of cars out of your inventory and clean it up a bit that I know. If you know any way that's faster, do leave it down in the comments below, and I'll probably get across to updating this video at some stage. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot. If you're interested in getting tons of money or skill points in game, do check the description down below. And I'll see you all next time. Ciao.